Well, hello there. I'm Mama Jane's husband, and this is Mama Jane.
Yeah, it is. And today we're going to talk about Radisson Blu hotels. If you're fancying staying in one, listen on. You might find some tips.
So we're going to be talking about the one particularly at Manchester Airport that we use when we're flying out from Manchester early in the morning, 6 o'clock. And we like the Radisson Blu in Manchester because it's a quick walk from there to the checking-in area. So you haven't got to go outside or anything like that, which is the main reason we like it. And you might see, there's another video we put about our room experience and what the room looks like. But Mama Jane, we have stayed in another Radisson Blu.
We have. And unlike McDonald's, where you know what you're going to get because they're all exactly the same, Radisson Blu are not exactly the same. They've all got their individual layouts, and the rooms, I think, are pretty similar, but the rest of the hotel, they do vary. All have been very good, but they do vary.
Yeah. So when you get to Radisson Blu, the first thing you'll see is there's like a coffee shop area right at the entrance. And I don't think they do snacks there. It's not a big area, but I think lots of people use it as it may not even be stopping at the hotel. So that's there as you get in. And then as you get into the hotel, there's a check-in area and the lifts are right in front of you. Now, also at the check-in area, there is a self-serve snack area. So you have to pay, but there's all sorts of things that you might need. Toothpaste, for instance.
I think packaged snacks. We don't mean somewhere to sit and eat something.
No.
Just biscuits,
Mars bars, Twix.
And other chocolate bars are available.
They are.
And toiletries and that kind of thing. Anything forgotten.
Yorkies.
Then this man likes chocolate. Then it's available there. Obviously, a bit pricey, but if you've forgotten your toothpaste, you may as well buy it there because it'll probably be more so in the airport.
Yeah. So then, now where can you eat at Radisson Blu? Now the point is that you are not been through security, so you're landside. So there's not a lot of places to eat in Manchester Airport landside. The only place we passed is Nero's. So you could go out and have a date night at Nero's, or you can pay what is quite pricey at Radisson Blu, or take a pack up. So that's your choice, really. But they've got quite a nice restaurant, haven't they?
They have, but also please let us know if there is somewhere other than Nero's, because we just perhaps didn't see it. They've got a nice restaurant. It doesn't do fancy stuff. It's just nice stuff, fish and chips, burgers, but nicely done.
Yeah.
And a lovely area, lovely restaurant, isn't it? You can also get food in a bar. They do certain. I don't know what kind of food they did actually.
It's a smaller menu.
Yeah,
smaller menu.
Because we did eat.
Never eaten in there.
No, we did eat
drunk.
in the. We did eat in the main restaurant, and as I say, not cheap. Nowhere will be cheap in that area. So. But it was nice.
More
Very
bar
nice.
Snacks in the bar.
In the
area.
bar. Oh.
Now the restaurant itself, it's a really nice design. Really like it, and it's got these semicircular booths that you've got right up the middle, which is quite nice. But my favourite place sitting is by the windows.
Because you can see all over the airport.
Well, who isn't into watching aeroplanes, Mama Jane?
Actually, I do quite like to. Yeah, it's interesting.
I find airports fascinating places.
Fascinating places.
All the things, all the different jobs that have to be done. All the moving cogs and stuff like that. Find fascinating. I'm not surprised things go wrong because there's so much, so complicated. Yeah. So we just wanted to do a small little video, tell you about the rest of Radisson Blu at Manchester.
If you're wondering about staying,
to add to our little room video.
Yeah, we'd recommend it. Not cheap, but nice.
Yeah. So that's it. Short one this time. So it's a goodbye from
me.
And it's a goodbye from
him.
Goodbye.